Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the Dyson Ontrac headphones. Dyson, known for their household innovations, has ventured into the audio realm with these premium noise-canceling headphones. Let's start with the design. The Ontrac headphones have a distinctively industrial look, typical of Dyson's aesthetic. What sets them apart is the modular design, allowing you to customize the outer ear caps and ear cushions with various colors and finishes. It's a unique touch that adds a personal flair to your headphones. In terms of build quality, the Ontrac feels robust yet surprisingly lightweight. The battery is ingeniously integrated into the headband, contributing to its 55-hour battery life. I found them comfortable to wear for extended periods, thanks to the well-padded headband and ear cups. Moving on to noise-canceling performance, the Ontrac excels. With 8 microphones constantly monitoring your environment, it effectively blocks out ambient noise, making it ideal for noisy environments or travel. The My Dyson app provides insights into noise levels, which is a neat feature for health-conscious users. Sound quality is where these headphones shine. The Ontrac delivers deep bass and clear mids, making music enjoyable across various genres. The bass response, especially, adds a rich layer to tracks without overpowering other frequencies. However, I noticed that vocals could be more pronounced in some instances. One downside is the Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, which might feel outdated for a premium product. During my testing, I experienced occasional connectivity issues when moving around with my device. The control scheme, centered around a small joystick and touch controls, could also use improvement. It's functional but not the most intuitive, especially for volume adjustments and ANC toggling. Wrapping up, the Dyson Ontrac headphones are a solid entry into the competitive premium headphone market. Their customizable design, exceptional battery life, and effective noise cancellation make them a compelling choice for users who prioritize these features. However, at the current price point, there are competitive options with more advanced Bluetooth codecs and better controls. If you appreciate Dyson's design philosophy and prioritize battery life and noise cancellation, the Ontrac could be a great fit for you. For others, considering alternatives like competitive models might be worth exploring. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.